Hey Tech Vortex fam, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the exciting world of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, set to be the camera powerhouse of 2024. Let's unravel the leaks and rumors surrounding this potential photography beast. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is gearing up to redefine smartphone photography. Leaks suggest a mind-blowing camera setup, main camera, a whopping 200MP wide lens with super quad pixel autofocus, OIS, and a super clear lens. Ultra-wide, 12MP lens with a 120° field of view. Telephoto, a 10MP lens boasting 3x optical zoom, dual pixel autofocus, and OIS. Periscope, get ready for a 50MP periscope camera with 5x optical zoom, quad pixel autofocus, and OIS. Front camera, a 12MP selfie shooter with dual pixel autofocus. Video recording, experience the future with up to 8K video at 30fps. Early leaks sparked some debates, but recent information aligns, pointing to a quad rear camera setup similar to the S23 Ultra. The highlight is the powerful 200MP main camera, promising an improvement in both quality and clarity. Besides the impressive hardware, Samsung is heavily teasing AI integration. Leaks suggest groundbreaking features, including moving subjects in photos, expanding images beyond borders, and even transferring subjects between images. The AI capabilities might just rival the Google Pixel 8's Magic Editor. As we eagerly await the official confirmation on January 17th, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra seems poised to be a photography game-changer. Will it surpass the S23 Ultra? Only time will tell. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S24 Ultra's camera setup? Drop your comments below and let's keep the tech conversation going. Stay tuned for the latest in tech wonders.